Okay, we're in the attic. This is the vent for the kitchen vent. It's not supposed to be corrugated like that. It's supposed to be smooth steel. It's a fire hazard. We've got 2 layers of insulation here. They've gone with cellulose, and well, there was no insulation here before, but other areas I can see that there was some bad insulation. You shouldn't have double layers of bad insulation. You shouldn't have double layers of insulation. This is a truss roof system. It's engineered. It's a very strong roof system. And if you can see the light over in the corners, well, I guess you can't. But the vents are along the soffits on the gable ends of these corners. You can see a little bit of moisture. There's been some, through the years there's been some rain infiltration. Now, the only thing about the structure, the way it's built, is right over here, one of these trusses. Okay, it's been scabbed. There's a second board on that, and these trusses are to do that kind of work to these trusses. Here's one that's been scabbed, and to do that kind of work on these trusses, you need manufacturer's permission. Our structural engineer needs to write off on that. I'm not saying that you're going to have a problem with that. Probably never have a problem with that, but I am saying that it wasn't done right. Over here we've got the plumbing vent stacks. You can see some more back in there. Maybe you can see some more previous water infiltration. Nothing really exciting going on in here. Kind of is what it is. The insulation's too close to the fireplace chimney, so there's that. And that's about all I can find up here.